First, get the text tool. Use the Shift and Alt resize. Change the font. Name is bold. Now go to Object, Expand, OK. Now get the pen tool. Use the Ctrl and plus icon, screen zoom. Select this point and this point. And this point, this point. Select all. Go to Shape Builder tool. Pressing Alt, then minus and plus icon change. Minus icon. Pressing Alt, mouse. Delete it. Now direct selection tool. Click this anchor point and drag mouse and this anchor point. Now get pen tool. Now get pen tool and select all. Go to Pathfinder tool and divide and ungroup. Now we can move each part. Select this part and Pathfinder tool and unit. And use direct selection tool. Select Shift and select 4 anchor point. And drag mouse. Now adjust the size. Use the arrow key. Use the ellipse tool. Pressing Alt and Shift, draw the circle. And change the color. And this circle go to the back, send to back. Now select direct selection tool. Press this anchor point and drag mouse. And this anchor point and drag the mouse. And this anchor point and drag the mouse. Now select all, Shape Builder tool, pressing Alt, delete each one. Select all, pathfinder tool and divide and ungroup. Now we can move each part. Now change the color. Now open the Photoshop mockup. You can download this freepik.com. File, place embedded and select logo. Yes. Now you can edit the size. You can save file, export, quick export as PNG. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. See you next video.